All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is Time Flies By, and I have a box. I have a knife, but I don't have any idea what's in it. I know it's a watch. I just can't remember which one. I have a couple coming in, so let's find out. I just got back from work, and we're about to open it now, so let's check it out. Okay, let's get this out of the way. All right, okay, now we know what it is. So, let's see. Diver, pilot, fields. What do you guys think? Let's see what it is. Okay, so if you guys owned a Seiko 5 Sports in the last couple of years, you'll know that this is kind of standard packaging. Okay. Such a thick book. All right, so it is a field watch. So this is the SRPG 27, I believe. All stickers, everything. It's got those metallic indices. It's got juice running in it. Sounds nice. It's in pretty good condition. That just might be a sticker. Yeah, that's just some glue from the packaging. All right. So it looks pretty good. It's got the stickers on it. Just a good thing, hand tag and everything. So have you guys had an experience with these? Have you handled them before? This is my first one. I wasn't able to grab, or I didn't grab the 37 millimeter SNK Seiko 5s with the 7S36 or 7S26. I didn't grab the SNZG, but I did have a Seiko 5 Sports kind of SKX style, the Green Hulk variant. I think it was SRPD 61K, and yeah, got rid of that because I have my SKX, the actual original JDM one, and so I thought I'd pick something like this up. And this is that comfortable size right in between the 37 and the 42 millimeter. So looking pretty good. Not as thick as the measurements might suggest, even though it is kind of hefty for a field watch. But I think on wrist, obviously it's going to disappear that smaller case back. I was expecting a little bit of a bigger bulge, and that's what kind of got me worried. And I kind of went with this one just because it was a really good price, and I wanted to experience one of these watches. Hacking, hand winding, all that kind of stuff. So pull it out. Nice and smooth hands. Date change. Good to go. All right. So yeah, SRPG 27, I believe. Should be on here. Yeah. A retail of $350. Did not pay close to that. And yeah, so just first impressions pretty good. Unboxing done. I will size the bracelet and we'll try it on some other straps.